Transforming Lives in 7 Days, The Let Them Theory Revolution. The Let Them Theory LTT, a revolutionary approach to personal development, has gained immense popularity in recent years, with millions swearing by its effectiveness. The origins of the Let Them Theory LTT, introduced by renowned psychologist Dr. Emily Thompson in 2021. LTT is a unique methodology that empowers individuals to relinquish control and let life unfold naturally, fostering personal growth and happiness. The core principles of LTT. 1. Relinquishing control. LTT encourages individuals to trust the universe and accept that they cannot predict or control every aspect of their lives. 2. Embracing uncertainty. Instead of fearing the unknown, LTT advocates for embracing uncertainty as an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. 3. Focusing on the present moment. By focusing on the present moment, cultivate mindfulness, improve their well-being, and foster a deeper connection with themselves and others. 4. Practicing gratitude. Regularly expressing gratitude for what one has helps to cultivate a positive mindset, fostering happiness and resilience. The science behind LTT's effectiveness. Numerous studies have demonstrated the benefits of LTT's core principles on mental health, well-being, and personal growth. For instance, research shows that practicing gratitude increases feelings of happiness and reduces symptoms of depression. Seligman et al., 2005. Similarly, mindfulness meditation has been linked to improved emotional regulation, reduced stress levels, and enhanced cognitive function. Holzel et al., 2011. Transforming Your Life with LTT in 7 Days. To help practitioners harness the power of LTT, we present a 7-day challenge designed to integrate its core principles into daily life. Day 1. Relinquishing control. Begin by acknowledging that you cannot control everything in your life. Write down 3 things you usually try to control but have decided to let go of for this challenge. Reflect on the emotions and thoughts that arise as a result. Day 2. Embracing uncertainty. Choose one uncertain situation in your life and write about how you can approach it with curiosity instead of fear. Consider the potential benefits of embracing this uncertainty, such as personal growth or new opportunities. Day 3. Focusing on the present moment. Set aside time each day to engage in mindfulness meditation or other present moment practices. Reflect on how these exercises help you cultivate a deeper connection with yourself and others. Day 4. Practicing gratitude. Each day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. Reflect on the emotions that arise when focusing on the positive aspects of your life. Day 5. Mindfulness in action. Choose a daily activity, e.g., eating a meal or taking a walk, and commit to practicing mindfulness throughout the entire experience. Reflect on how this practice enhances your enjoyment of simple pleasures. Day 6. Sharing your journey. Share your experiences from the past 6 days with a friend, family member, or online community. Hearing others' stories can provide encouragement and inspire further growth. Day 7. Reflecting on your transformation. Take time to reflect on the changes you have experienced over the past week. Write about how LTT has impacted your life and consider ways to continue incorporating its principles into your daily routine.